Good morning students. Welcome to English class 6. In this video we are going to learn about the poem Teamwork written by Edgar Albert Guest. This is beautiful poetry. Before seeing the poetry we will see about writer Edgar Albert Guest. Edgar Albert Guest was born on 20th August in 1881 to 5th August 1959. He began his illustrious career in 1895 at the age of 14 when his work first appeared in the Detroit Free Press. His column was syndicated in over 300 newspapers and he came to be known as the poet of the people. Guest was made poet laureate of Michigan, the only poet to have been awarded the title. His poem often had an inspirational and optimistic view of everyday life. The poet Edgar Albert Guest in this poem, Teamwork, insists on the importance of teamwork. Teamwork is very important when we work together as a team. We become strong and then it's easy to achieve the common goal. It is good to have encourage and talent to achieve something. It is also fine to be counted as a star. But the thrilling single act does not tell anyone your abilities. In a game we play, there is no single hand. We must work with a team, helping and coordinating with others in the team to achieve something. Sometimes people praise you, call you great and single you out for fame. But you must work with your teammate or you all never win the game. Your work of life is never done with your selfish dream. A battle should be won or lost by the spirit of the team. You may be praised for your skill, but a greater thing to do it is to set your mind and will on the goal that's in front of you. It is helping your teammate to score. When his chains are hopeless, it is also forgetting about self and fighting for the team till the game is over. Are you clear, children? Now let us move on to the poem. Teamwork. It's all very well to have encourage and skill, and it's fine to be counted a star. But the single deed with its touch of thrill does not tell the man you are. For there no lone hand in the game we play. We must work to be a bigger scheme. Explanation of the poem. It's good to have encourage and talent to achieve something. It's also fine to count it as a star. But the thrilling single act does not tell anyone your abilities. There is no single hand in the game we play, all of us. As a team should work to a bigger plan or aim. You all are having some aim to achieve goal in your future. Next poem line. And the thing that counts in the world today is how do you pull with the team. They may sound you praise and call you great. They may single you out for fame. But you must work with your running mate or you all never win the game. The thing that matters in the world today is how do you get along with your teammates. Sometimes people may praise you, call you great, and they may give you special attention for fame. But you must work hard with your teammates or you will never win the game. You should work hard. All should work hard in your futures. You can achieve your goal in your future. Oh, never the work of life is done by the man with a selfish dream. For the battle is lost or battle is won by the spirit of the team. You may think it fine to be praised for skill, but a greater thing to do. Your work of life is never done with your selfish dream. It is a fact that is known to everyone. A battle can be won or lost to the spirit of the team if they all work together. You may think it is fine to praised by others for your talent, but a greater thing you should do than this is to set your mind and set your will on the goal that's just in view. It's helping your fellow man to score with when his chance hopeless seem. It's forgetting self till the game is over and fighting for the team. You should set your mind and will on the goal that is in front of you, the aim that is in your view. This goal is helping your fellow man to score more. When his chance seemed too hopeless, giving him to helping hand. It's also forgetting about your selfishness, fighting for the team till the game is over. My dear children, you all are try to get teamwork and work hard and achieve your goal in your life. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.